Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to create this floating door. Okay, something like this lah. Okay, so in AiHouse we don't have floating door. You cannot generate the floating door. You only can drag the panel out. Okay, and make it as floating door. So this one, okay, the cabinet height is 2000, and this one I put it 2004 lah. So I'm going to divide 4 door. Each door will have 600 wide, and 2000 minus this 80 pleat. So this one should be 1920 lah. Okay, the height. So this one I make it that 600. Okay. So once I make the size already, then one thing I need to do, change it as door. So how to change it? Click the B board selection. Select the panel, right click. You may see transfer to door lift. So transfer to door lift. Then you can add handle now. Okay, so let me add a handle. Maybe I add a simple handle lah. Simple handle. Something like this. Something like this. Something like this. This one's better. Okay, something like this. Okay, and here. Okay. So after that, simple. You just exit the board selection first, then move it. So I'm gonna make it this one the depth 430. So I'm gonna change the depth 430. Enter. Ooh, okay. Change the tab. This one. Okay. This one 430. Enter. Okay, then go to the door already. Then press Z button to move it. Okay, move it up. This one make it 80 lah. As you know, the pleat is 80. Okay. So here move a bit lah. Here move a bit. Click on here. 1294. Click on here. Okay, they don't have. Never mind. I'll move myself. Okay. Roughly there. Okay. So after that, we're gonna rotate the door lah. Click this one. Then change the rotate Z button. So 315 lah. Give it. Okay. So after that, then I copy. Control V. No. This one. 315 here. Press enter. Okay. 315 enter. Click here. Okay. Then I copy one more door. Control V. Copy one more door. This one I put 45 lah. 45. Okay. So you see, the door is like floating lah. Okay. So you can do the opposite also. Okay. Do the opposite also. So I copy one. Copy. Control V. Okay. This one I put that side lah. Press Z. Move it out. Okay, if you're gonna move it, never mind, or we just drag another one, do again, or simple as that. Okay, so copy the size, or the size is how much? 192. Okay, click on it. 1920. Okay, then 600. Okay, so simple. I'm gonna rotate it first. Make it 0. Okay, then here. I'm gonna change the style 430. Okay, this one make it come out 80 or same method. Okay, same method. So this one the side is 754. The distance 754. So this one I change it 754. Enter. Okay. After that, simple. Or make sure that correct. So put the head, transfer it to the handle. Okay, V board selection, right click, door lift. Okay, then add handle. Select back the same handle or this one. Select back the same handle. Select back this one. Select back this one. The handle should be same this one. Okay, select back the same handle. Click choose. Okay. So this one I'm gonna put here lah, or add another 600. Okay, 600. Then this one I'm gonna rotate. Okay, click on it. Exit the board selection. Click on it. Rotate it. Okay, rotate it to 315. Okay, same open like this. Okay, then I Control V. Same method. Click on it. Control V. Okay. So this one this one I'm gonna rotate it to 45. Okay. If you don't want the handle put like this, or okay, then I move this one Z button, Z. Click on it, Z button. Move it here. Okay. So if you want to change the handle, then change it all. Put it to center lah, or make it center lah, or this one also lah, make it center lah. So senang when you open the door. Okay. But I prefer here. I think prefer here or senang. So I change again lah. Handle here, free. This one handle free. Put here. Okay. So remember lah. Just remember. Okay. Exit everything. Or transfer it to the door lift. Okay. Using board selection. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.